Shark fin soup, perfect for any festive gatherings. No sharks were harmed in the video because we're using an eco-friendly twist, imitation shark fin. It is not only compassionate, but also simple and impressive. For this recipe, you need imitation shark fin. Thaw it, strain it, and keep it aside. Frozen crab meat. Thaw it and give it a simple rinse. Chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth for a vegan twist. Concentrated chicken stock. Sliced ginger and shallots that are cut into halves. Eggs. First, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pot. Add ginger and shallots. Fry them slowly. We want to infuse the flavor into the oil. Once they are brown, remove them, leaving the oil in the pot. Now add the broth. Add chicken stock and oyster sauce. Once the broth starts simmering, add the crab meats. And then the fins. While it is boiling, it is important to remove the bubbles. Turn the heat down. To thicken the soup, we combine 4 tablespoons of water chestnut powder with 4 tablespoons of water. Use a whisk to mix the slurry. You can also use cornstarch, but we find water chestnut powder will keep the soup thickened for a longer time. Slowly add the slurry bit by bit. Stir until the soup is thickened to your liking. For a final touch, beat the eggs. Add a swirl of beaten eggs to create those beautiful egg ribbons in the soup. Now you can off the heat and let the egg set a bit, and then give it a quick stir. And there you have it, a luxurious yet responsible dish for your festive table. You can add a dash of black vinegar to enhance the flavor. And that's our imitation shark fin soup, perfect for the Chinese Lunar New Year or any special occasions.